Well, good morning, boys. I hope this lives up to the advanced billing I gave it. My wife and kids are still sleeping, so if this video gets broken into with a screaming wife, you'll understand. I'll fire this thing up, and it's got the Pershing sounds loaded in it, so this Jagd is kind of a test bed with the Benedini system, so I'm trying different sounds in it. So right now I've got the Pershing sounds loaded up in this Jagd. It's a big Ford big block, so I'll fire it up and you can hear what it sounds like. That's all I dare do. I'm sure I'm going to be getting some heck here right away.